Hey, it's Amy Jo, and I'm giving you a tour of my website as it is right now. This design I launched in the beginning of 2023, and I'm already considering a rebuild, and I've started planning it out, but I really I like my current design, so I'm taking my time on the rebuild and just really rethinking every little aspect, so I'm not sure when it will launch. But I wanted to make sure to document what I have right now so that I could see my progress and you could see my progress also. First, I'll let you watch the little animation here on loading, so that's nice. Another small animation, a lot of it kind of just fades up a little bit, which is a nice touch. And I had a different about page, and then I moved the information here, but now I'm wishing that I hadn't done that, so next time around I'll have an about page again. And down here at the footer, I've got an extended menu. I've got the legal pages that I use Termageddon to generate. So there are actually several policies here, and Termageddon is just really, really great. You can use my code, or it's included in my hosting plans right now, so that's pretty awesome. I've got services, custom website, premium hosting, or VIP day, which is when I just do random stuff for you. My portfolio page. I like the idea of accordions. Some people get overwhelmed by too much information, but other people really love to see the details. So this is a kind of way for the user to make their own choice there. And the contact page, I really wanted this message in a bottle to kind of stay with my current branding and theme. And then you can also get a website estimate here, which, I don't know, I might change that out. That is most of the website. I will show you what it looks like. It is mobile friendly. So here's what it would look like on a phone. See, I don't love that positioning, but everything else is looking pretty good on a phone. Let's check out services. You can see the main menu collapses up at the top to save room. See, that gap's a little too big. But those stack nicely. The portfolio stacks. So there definitely are some spacing improvements that I will be working on, and I'll probably do very soon on my current page. And then the contact form. So everything is very mobile friendly and very usable on the phone. That Facebook link is just to my business Facebook page. These stack up nicely. These just pull my different policies from Termageddon, and Termageddon, keeps those updated for me. But they are also mobile friendly, which is very, very nice. So thank you so much for watching, and I would love to work with you on any website needs that you have. Have a great day.